10 minutes here, yes. Victor. Some would say just know by looking at someone.
Yeah, unbelievably, it's true, right? Because as a background as a teacher, you know, I do have a very unique way of judging.
Exactly. So tell me about that.
Yeah. If a person, you know, he comes to us and to show his dream or passion, we can immediately find whether the passion is a real passion in terms that can the person continuously, you know, work very hard to try to have a dream come true. If, you know, he meets any sort of obstacle on the way to success. So if this is authentic, I think absolutely this person is trustworthy, and we just put money in him.
Yep, but it's delivery, isn't it? No, but
yeah,
and that's perhaps where you experience as a teacher comes in.
Yeah, yeah. You know, we do, you know, find a very important qualification in the person, that is integrity. Because if a person has integrity, you know, that is, you can trust him totally from the very beginning to the end. And integrity plays an important role as an entrepreneur, right? He tells you what he is going to do, and he'll deliver that, and that's the kind of thing you trust him.
So 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Presumably with a 30-second lift pitch.
Mm-hmm. Yes. You know, we actually have
I should call it an elevator pitch, actually, shouldn't I? Sorry.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Since our fund is an early stage fund, and we don't have a long time to make a decision whether to invest in him or not, what we can only do is that out of the very short time pitch, will make sense that will make sense of whether, you know, what he's trying to do really respond to the real demand for the market, whether it's a niche market or a mass market.
So the 2 points that I was looking at in your research, which was have a clear product name, mm-hmm. and indeed be able to summarize your core value in one sentence, i.e. your mission statement.
You mean our fund, right?
Yeah.
Our fund is try to be the true entrepreneur-friendly fund. For example, last year we released the first less than one-page term sheet. Probably that shocked the whole community of early-stage investment in China. Why? Because we believe that if we guarantee or secure the founders, you know, interest, of course, we'll immediately or naturally benefit from that. Why we should, you know, ask for more. Right.
Victor, what I was getting at was you're saying that anybody approaching you should have these two things.
Right.
A mission statement, able to summarize your core values in one sentence, and a decent name, a clear product name.
Yeah. Well, I think that's very important. If they can state their mission within one sentence, using one sentence, I think they must have thought of it very clearly before they come to us. Whether this is going to be successful in the future, it doesn't really matter. The thinking, to me, is the depth of the company. And thinking make the depth of the company, and this depth will be the speed, how fast this company will go.
Victor, let's talk about the companies that you have invested in,
mm-hmm.
and let's talk about some of your success stories.
Yeah, we have invested in a company called DeepClean. A former Google scientist left Google 2 years ago and founded this team. What he tried to do is to use his advanced research in the field of computer visual recognition to really obsolete the whole generation of for example, the surveillance technology. Right now, the surveillance technology is just a dumb, you know, according to him, because right now, what the camera or surveillance equipment can do is just record it and archive it, and later when something happens, you just pull back the data and try to analyze it. But what he tries to do is that, according to him, he will make the camera itself a real smart, you know, eye. And it just not just to record. During the time of recording, it can really analyze like a human brain, you know, what's the...
Something out of the ordinary, I think.
Right. If something happened, he will immediately try to make a judgment whether the behavior implies something else. It's dangerous or it's not. It's romantic things, but it's it's dangerous. It will give alarm to whatever who is available around.
Who are you excited about at the moment in terms of funding?
What I'm excited about? Well, I think we do see a lot of high-quality startups, in China, and all the talented young people, they want to, get into this industry with a lot of original ideas to change China or even change the world. So that's, as an early stage investor, we are the first round of people who have the opportunity to share with their dreams. So that's how we feel excited about being an early investor.